Hi everyone, today we give you some tips and important information regarding the warranty activation. So please watch the video until the end because it's mandatory for us to have these documents in order that you can use the warranty and activate it for your dental unit. Inside the pack you always have an envelope that contains important documents. We here identify this envelope with a sticker. The sticker says important document to activate the warranty, so don't lose them. Open the envelope, and inside the envelope you have two important documents. One is the manual of the dental unit that contains the information that you need to make the installation and the after sales, and the other one is the activation itself. The activation document is the one where you insert the information of the clinic, of the installer, and all the information that we require in this first page. And on the second page, on the back, there are also information about the check that you have done on the dental unit. One important thing, this is mandatory to activate the warranty. If you don't do this, we don't cover the warranty of the dental unit because the new MDR regulation in Europe needs this to be sent to us in order to prove that the installation is done correctly and that everything is fine. All you have to do is to fill this document, then you can scan the QR code that we have in the document, or you can visit a specific page on our website for the warranty activation that is indicated in the document itself. Once you scan the QR code, you can select your language, you can take the picture of the document and you insert very few indication and you can send directly to us. In this way we receive the document immediately. The serial number of the unit is already inserted in our system. If the number that you insert is correct, you will receive an email saying that the activation has been done and you can proceed with your daily job. The operation is quite simple. It requires 2 minutes, but it's super important in order to protect the warranty of the dental unit. In case something is not clear, you can send us a requirement of more information, but I hope this video could help you to see what is the new procedure in order to make the activation. We are doing this and then I'm finished because we saw that we are not receiving this document from everybody and these documents are mandatory, so to simplify the process we are now informing all our customers. So thank you for watching this video and see you next time.